There's never been a better time to take advantage of government rebates, from saving on household appliances to free internet and keeping your home cool in time for summer. But you need to act quickly. Time's running out on some of them.
They're the little-known rebates giving you big savings, including air conditioning discounts. Energex's Peak Smart program open to all Queenslanders.
Customers participating on the program can receive a cashback of between $200 and $400.
You can claim when you install a Peak Smart air conditioner or convert an existing system designed to better manage peak demand on the energy network.
Now's a great time to participate because you can add it on top of the existing government rebates,
including the state government's Climate Smart Energy Saver program, providing rebates of up to $1,000 if you buy eligible 4-star or higher energy efficient appliances. But time is running out. A department spokesperson confirming to 9 News it's only expected to remain open for several more weeks. Queenslanders are also being urged to take up the solar rebate scheme, which reduces the upfront costs of installation with a subsidy payment.
Typically we've seen a $500 to $600 difference in systems.
The solar rebate won't last forever. It's being phased out, ending in 2030. The value of potential savings reducing every year in the lead up.
Clock over to 2024. The rebate that's available to you will be reduced.
Another cash boost. The federal government's School Student Broadband Initiative offers families a free home internet voucher for 1 year.
It's around $1,000 worth of internet connection for any family.
And it's now easier to apply with a National Referral Centre hotline set up.
It's really a very simple criteria. It is you're not on the NBN and you have not been on it for at least the last 14 days.
The number is 1800 954 610. Claire Todd Hunter, 9 News.